Yay! You should give
One more.
give the birthday girl with hugs and kisses. No. Oh. Mwah.
You want it?
Did you
Birthday
give
Daddy hugs and kisses.
birthday girl one more hug and kiss for birthday
Did you
girl?
Give birthday mommy hugs and kisses.
Can I get one?
Oh, loves.
You want one?
Yeah. I always want a birthday hug and kiss. Yeah. Is that the sweetest
Wow.
thing?
Pizza.
That's what he did earlier, and I'm like, get out of here.